Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Desi Harniti Putri Huspa from Department of Chemistry, Universitas Pajajaran. First of all, thank you very much for the Committee of the International Seminar on Chemistry 2020 for the opportunities that given to me to present out our investigation report with title Cytotoxic Damaran Type 3 Terpenoid from the stem bark of Aglaia elaeagnoidae or Meliaceae. Aglaia is the largest genus of the Meliaceae family, which contains terpenoid compounds. This type of compounds show the diverse structure and biological activities that can be found in natural resources. Aglaia elaeagnoidae is a species from Aglaia genus that only has a few previous research. The study was aimed to isolate and determine the chemical structure of 3 terpenoid compounds from the ethyl acetate extract of Aglaia elaeagnoidae stem bark. The stem bark of Aglaia elaeagnoidae was collected in Bogor Botanical Garden, West Java, Indonesia, on August 2017. The plant was identified by Center for Plant Conservation, Botanic Gardens, Bogor, Indonesia. The dry stem bark of Aglaia elaeagnoidae was extracted exhaustively with methanol at room temperature, filtered and concentrated. The methanol extract was suspended in mixture of water and methanol, then partitioned with normal hexane, ethyl acetate, and normal butanol successively. Each extract was evaporated under a reduced pressure to give normal hexane extract, ethyl acetate extract, and normal butanol extract. The ethyl acetate extract of the stem bark of Aglaia elaeagnoidae was chromatographed over vacuum liquid chromatography or VLC column packed with the silica gel by gradient elution. The VLC fraction were repeatedly subjected to silica gel and ODS column chromatography to give compound 1, 2, and 3. Compound 1 was obtained as a white crystal. The molecular formula of 1 was identified as C13H15 or 3 based on the HR12MS. Thus requires 6 degrees of unsaturation. Proton NMR spectrum showed the presence of 8 tertiary methyl signal, which indicated the characteristic for Damaran type 3 terpenoid. An oxygenated sp3 methane in a part of tetrahydrofuran ring at chemical ship 3.63 was also revealed in the proton NMR spectra, supporting the presence of Damaran type 3 terpenoid structure in 1. Carbon NMR spectrum with depth measurements showed the presence of 30 carbon signal consisting of 8 methyl, 10 methylene, 6 methane, and 6 quaternary carbon, indicating the presence of Damaran type 3 terpenoid. The presence of 8 methyl resonance at chemical ship 15 until 27, a carbonic group at chemical ship 218, as well as 2 oxygenated quaternary carbon at chemical ship 18.6 and 18.6.6, supporting the presence of Damaran type 3 terpenoid with the addition of tetrahydrofuran ring. The position of the carbonic group is carbon 3, considered from its biosynthetic approach. Compound 1 show the 86 and chemical ship proton 3.6, as well as chemical ship carbon NMR for carbon 20, consequently for configuration for carbon 20 and carbon 24 as S orientation. Comparison of NMR data of 1 with those of the 220S, 24S epoxy 25 hydroxy Damaran trion isolated from Desoxylum malabaricum revealed that the structure of 2 compounds are closely related. Consequently, Compound 1 was identified as the 20S, 24S epoxy 25 hydroxydamaran 3-on, which found from this plant for the first time. Compound 2 was obtained as a white crystal. The NMR date of 2 had a fairly identical pattern of those of compound 1. The main differences are the absence of one of the carbonyl group and the presence of the hydroxyl group at 76 C3. A methane proton of carbon C has Cosenza coupling to 2.8 Hz, indicating that proton 2 and proton 3 have axial equatorial orientation consequently. 3-hydroxyl has alpha orientation. Those two was identified as the 20S, 24S epoxydamaran 3-alpha 25 diol. Compound 2 was obtained as a white crystal. The carbon NMR spectra showed the 26 carbon and were classified by the depth experiment. A 6 methyl group, 1 carbonyl lactone, an oxymethane group, and oxygenated quaternary carbon. This suggested that the loss of 2 methyl group from the side chain of the oxygenative degeneration, leading to the formation of beta-lactone. Exhibiting the characteristic of 3 SNOR3 terpenetrate compounds, this compound was found to be identically obtained by the oxidation of 2. Thus, 3 was identified as 3-alpha epicabrella hydroxylactone. Compound 1, 2, 3 were tested for cytotoxic on HeLa cervical cancer cell and DU145 prostate cancer cell. And as a result, compound 2 shows strongest cytotoxic activity among all the isolated compounds. That's all from me. Thank you for the attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.